In Python, using Argparse, allow only positive integers. The title pretty much summarizes what I'd like to have happen. Here is what I have, and while the program doesn't blow up on a non-positive integer, I want the user to be informed that a non-positive integer is basically nonsense. And the output? Output with a negative. Now, obviously I could just add an if to determine if args.games is negative, but I was curious if there was a way to trap it at the Argparse level, so as to take advantage of the automatic usage printing. Ideally, it would print something similar to this. Like so. For now I'm doing this, and I guess I'm happy.
This should be possible utilizing type. You'll still need to define an actual method that decides this for you. This is basically just an adapted example from the perfect_square function in the docs on Argparse.
The quick and dirty way, if you have a predictable max as well as minute for your arg, is use choices with a range.
Type would be the recommended option to handle conditions/checks, as in Yushi's answer. In your specific case, you can also use the choices parameter if your upper limit is also known. Note, use range instead of range for Python 3.x.
In case someone, like me, comes across this question in a Google search, here is an example of how to use a modular approach to neatly solve the more general problem of allowing Argparse integers only in a specified range. This allows you to do something like the variable foo now allows only positive integers, like the op asks. Note that in addition to the above forms, just a maximum is also possible within range.
If you want to more time, listen to the log and subscribe.